Hey, what is up, you guys? Yes, you read the title right, and we are going to be technically downloading Minecraft for free. Stick with me. So, first of all, open up your browser and go to the website, Minecraft website. Alright, so open this website. Okay, it should be in the first, open the first link, and it should open up this page. And the problem is, when I click get Minecraft, it's a fancy page. When I click get Minecraft, alright, how do you want to play? Computer? What platform do you prefer? PC? Okay, select your edition, Windows 10 edition. If you want, you can go with Java as well. So I'm going to click on buy here, guys. Look, now the problem is it's going to ask me to pay. Okay, it's gonna ask me to pay right now. But we are not paying because as I said, we will be downloading Minecraft for free. So when I click this button, it's gonna ask me to pay, right? So get back over here, and we're just gonna go like this, minecraft.net/download. Go hit enter, and you should be prompted to this page. And when you click on download for Windows, whatever platform you're in, you are going to download it for free. As you can see, I'm going to click it. There you go. So as you can see, I can download Minecraft for free technically, but when you open up Minecraft, it's gonna say get an account, right? Obviously, getting an account on Minecraft is not free, so technically I got Minecraft for free, but I can't play it, I'm sorry, guys. You might have to find another way to get Minecraft for totally free. Maybe I'm gonna do a video on it. Maybe I'm gonna get Minecraft totally for free. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye.